Okay, so this is for my YouTube fam, this clip. So this is the audio of the speakers. I actually love how they look. I love that you can adjust everything. So I put it at slight angle so I can still adjust the volume if I'd like to. And so this is, this is one of my songs, Scott Wanger Music. So we are using it as an example. I might have to do like a bass song just to give an idea of the bass. Let's turn the bass up the whole way and see. Let's turn the volume up.
Makes me weak.
So this is maxed out and it's still really good quality.
The beauty within your soul. Your love is forever.
And one press of a button, you can mute it. So just press the button, it mutes it. Let's get a bass song here. All right, so this is my other music channel, Wanger X Music. This is going to be kind of a guitar with some bass, not exactly like sub, but. Alright, so I'm very happy with these speakers. They are great for a computer and a lot of different uses. Okay, so these are the speakers. Now, this speaker box gets plugged in to the back right here, just like that. You have a master on and off right on here. You also have a little small USB type port, AUX in, and of course your power supply port. They give you a manual. They give you everything AUX to AUX cable and everything that you pretty much need. Power supply cable just simply connects just like this. Let's take a look on the side. You have your bass, you have your treb, and you also have the volume. Now the button just continuously rotates forever, but you'll be able to see and be able to tell by the volume. And you can press it as well. So here's the front. Now these are the 3 inches. So these are the smaller ones, which are perfect size. You got the sub. Here's on the other side. They look nice. I mean, overall, I'm very impressed with these. Take your AUX cable, and we're going to plug that directly in the back where it says AUX. And then on your computer, you can plug it into the AUX port. If it doesn't work or you have issues, you probably plugged it into the mic port of your computer if it has it instead of the actual audio port.